Right, we can start the session. Today we are going to understand Firebase, cloud database. Cloud database, how to use in the React. That application we are going to focusing step by step. I'm going to explaining. Here some challenges we are going to facing. The challenges only I'm going to showing. So one session level we are not completing entire thing. So we are going to see another kind of session level also this application. Okay. So here React.js plus Firebase cloud database application development steps we are going to follow. Okay. Development steps we are going to follow. So these steps how to develop step number one. We need to provide step number one. What is the step number one? We need to create a React.js project. Regular step. Create a React.js project. How to create? We need to use npx create React app space. I'm going to providing Firebase. Firebase hyphen students. That is the kind of project name I need to create. This command I'm immediately apply. Go to my workspace. Where is my workspace? Here desktop level, new HTML inside, React.js folder is there. Within that I need to apply. Open the command prompt. This command prompt level, we need to give this one. Whenever I'm going to using this command, it is going to create the folder, right? So it is taking the time. It depends on your internet speed and CPU speed. Okay, this is the step number one. Next, step number two. What is the step number two? Switch to the project location. So how to switch? CD space Firebase students. So this is the command is switching to the project location. Step number three, open the project into VS Code. So we need to use Firebase hyphen students. Here code space dot we can use and it is opening. So here some of the things I need to install libraries. Step number four, install Bootstrap. Bootstrap. How to install? Firebase hyphen students. Here we need to use npm install Bootstrap. Okay, this is the way you need to install. And notice what? Add import statement into index.js. What is the import statement? Import here bootstrap slash distributed slash css slash bootstrap dot min dot css. This is the way we need to provide. Okay. Step number five. Step number five. We need to install Firebase SDK. Install Firebase SDK. How to install npm command prompt level Firebase hyphen students command prompt level npm install Firebase. We need to use this one. Once you are done this one, we need to set up Firebase database. We need to set up cloud level Firebase database. Set up that one. That is step number 6. Set up Firebase. Okay. For that purpose, what is required here? You need to follow some steps. Go to the Firebase console. So Firebase console is required. So you need to go to the browser, and type console.firebase.google.com. Okay, I'm already having account. Even your Gmail account through, you can able to open. Why? Because this Firebase is developed by the Google people only. So whenever you are going to sign in, directly it is going to get like this. So just once you are login, we are going to get like this. Initially, you are not able to see these kind of projects. Okay, just I need to go to the click add project. Click add project. So once you are going to click the add project, we need to provide the project name. For example, I need to provide here Suchi IT like that. I'm going to provide the project name. After that, click continue. Here, I don't want any Google Analytics and all. Uncheck this one and create project. So cloud database level, Firebase level, one project I'm going to creating. Please follow this video and try to create the similar kind of way. Okay. So I'm going to writing meanwhile the steps here. So go to the Firebase console. That Firebase console is nothing but a https://console.firebase.google.com. This is the one I need to use. After that, another kind of step is what? Create. After login, create a new project. Okay. After that, we are go to the Cloud Firestore session and create the new database. I will show that one. Go to the Cloud Firestore session and create a new database. Okay. After that, we need to use start in test mode. Okay, make sure to set up proper security rules before deploying in production level. We need to take care of some settings. Okay, these steps we are going to focusing right now. So it is giving like this. Click continue. Once you are going to click continue, you can see here Firestore. Where that one here, we need to create a Firestore session level one database. So this is the Firestore session. Here you can see build level. You can see Firestore database. This is the session you need to use. Okay, Firestore database. Okay, we need to create the Firestore database. Click create. Click create. Here we need to use what? Test mode. We need to choose test mode. So the default security rules for test mode allow anyone with your database reference to view, edit and delete all data in our database for the next 30 days. Okay, this is the message it is showing that one. And we need to choose here this cloud database center. Different regions level it is there. Asia South level we are going to using that one. Mumbai. South one is Mumbai. This is the area level. Cloud store it is available. People are maintaining the databases in the area. That area you need to choose. You can choose anything, but if you are choosing the long distance connectivity, it is taking the time, right? That's the reason nearest kind of data center, we need to choose that one. Click enable. So wait, it is going to creating provisioning cloud Firestore database. So database cloud side, we need to perform some steps. Okay, these steps are very, very important. Without watching, without proper following, you cannot able to go further kind of thing. Okay, so please watch and note down the each and every step and create database. Create database. We are already all the third part. We are already created a database, right? Click next, and we are going to using that enable, right? We are already enable provisioning the enable kind of things. Everything is once it is done, cannot enable Firestore for the an unknown kind of thing. Here you need to use, we're already enabled that one. Again, I'm going to showing here. We're already enable this one. So once you are going to get the provisioning and all, we need to take here configuration part. Okay. So where is the my configuration part? Cannot enable to for this project is unknown error. Something it is going to get 1 second. Go to here, Firebase database and create a database. Okay. So choose this one. Click next. Here I'm already choosing Asia South. I'm going to using. Where is that one? Okay. You can use default one also, not a problem. Takes time because of network only. It is take the time. Okay. So I will come back to here again. Okay. Go to switch IT is the my see all projects. So this is the my project. Once I'm going to click, we can get like this. Go to here. Go to here. This is the symbol, right? Webbook. Here iOS level you can use this database, and Android level you can use this database, and you can use web application level also. We are using the web application right now. So click this one, and we need to create a project. The project name also I need to provide Suchi IT, like that. I'm providing register app. I'm going to register the app. So carefully you need to watch and follow the steps. So it is going to give like this. Okay. In our command prompt level, after done this kind of steps, after creating database and everything, we need to create a one kind of configuration file. That is the step number 7. So initialize Firebase in our app. For that purpose, we need to create a src level Firebase.js, like that one file we need to create. That file level, this is the kind of configuration is required. Okay. This is the kind of configuration is required, and additional statement also we are going to add in that one. So this is the way I'm going to copy paste this one, but here we are going to using, we need to export this one. We need to export this one, get file store we need to use, and we need to export that one. That is we can see later. Okay, up to this we need to provide the step number 7. Now go back to your application where we are created console level already created, right? Now go back to here, cd space Firebase database students. After that, code space dot, it is opening the project with the VS Code, and we are going to providing here, right? Here we are going to install the Bootstrap. npm install Bootstrap. We are going to install this one first. After that, Firebase also we need to install. So once it is finishing this one, go to the src index.js. Here we need to provide import. We need to provide what? Bootstrap slash distributed slash css slash. We need to provide what? Bootstrap dot. We need to provide what? Bootstrap dot min, right? We need to provide min dot css. Put the semicolon. Okay. After that, I need to install Bootstrap. After that, Firebase. Where is that command? This is the command. Just copy this one and go to the command prompt and give this command. Okay. So initialize this one. So before that one, you need to install that command also. I'm already given the step here. Step number 5 level already given this one. Okay. So that is the part I'm going to use it. So once it is installed that one, we need to focus configuration file we need to create. SRC level Firebase. We need to copy paste that configuration is also provided the Firebase database, cloud database only. So just we are going to copy paste in the configuration file. So how to create that one we are going to see. Once installation is over, once install the Firebase database, then we can go to the SRC and creating Firebase.